Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Perplexity AI app voice recognition option. By using voice recognition, you'll be able to ask questions by way of speech, and Perplexity AI will also be able to respond to you via speech while at the same time writing it. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. So the first thing to do is to open your Perplexity AI app on your smartphone and then log into your account. Now, once you're here, go to the new chat you want to generate, and instead of typing, you can just ask by using the voice recognition icon that is here. So this is the voice recognition. Now let's go ahead and try. So I'll just tap on it and speak. So I'm waiting for the connection, and here we go. The connection is on. Now let me go ahead and ask. Now tell me about Perplexity AI. Yes, it does. For how long has Perplexity AI been in use?
Started gaining traction in 2010, especially with models like GANs just around 2014, and the rise of transformer models like UPT starting around 2018. Since then, it's exploded in use. Today, it's a major part of many industries. Would you like to know more about a specific area?
No, I'm okay. Thank you so much. Great. So that's how you can do it. Once you are done, now you can just exit safely by just tapping on this X, and that is it. You'll have gotten your response. Should you want now to read the response in text, just tap on your profile icon here, and here you can see your chats that you had with it, and you can see more information about it here. So that's how you can use Perplexity AI app voice recognition option. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.